I'm Kathy Nunez. I'm the Director of Developer Productivity here at Confluent. I am based out of Southern California, and my team focuses on everything associated with the software development lifecycle and all of the developer experience internal here at Confluent. Confluent is a data in motion company, and our goal is to set the world's data in motion. And so we are founded by the creators of Kafka, and we work through the data streaming journey with our customers. We have a little under 1,000 engineers across the company using Semaphore on a daily basis. Our development stack, because we're predominantly working with Kafka and Flink, encompasses all of the software that comes with that. There is a lot of Java, there's a lot of Go, we've got a little bit of Scala, some Python. We're introducing AI enhancements into it, so we are bringing some LLMs into our stack as well. We went on a mission a couple of years ago to consolidate our stack. So we were looking for a single vendor that could meet all of our needs, both our private internal use as well as serving the external community that we partner with. And so we consolidated down from the 6 we had in-house to just Semaphore. And it was a great partnership because you were one of the few vendors that were willing to meet our needs to have an on-prem solution as well as a cloud solution, and to adhere to the security guidelines that we were setting out to implement. We do appreciate the amount of effort that Semaphore put in, unique to Confluent. So it is our dominant CI system. So our engineers are using it every day. The feature that most people like were the enhancements that you added that made it most similar to Jenkins, that allow us to run our tests, rerun a failed test. And that's mostly because that's what the engineers are leveraging more often. The ability to be able to run through a test suite locally and then put it in our CI system has had advantages that our developers are able to capitalize on, and it gives them time back to their days. One of the things I look for in any vendor or partner that I work with is, are they going to take the success of my business as seriously as I do? And with Semaphore, I found a partner that embodies the same values that we have of customer love. You know, you're there side by side. If we have an issue, regardless of the time of day, you know, all the way up to your CEO has been on the phone with us, you know, during an issue to make sure resolution was there. But it's not only at the time of the incident, it is the corrective actions and the partnership of solving problems. Both, you know, you guys not being afraid to tell me that my team can, you know, serve and maintain better. But that openness and that dialogue and that making sure that there's shared responsibility on both sides, but it's a partnership to the overall success of all of our clients. That's been very meaningful and rare, I will say. I haven't seen that in every client that I work with. Well, certainly our ability to scale our CI runners more efficiently with Semaphore than our prior vendors has certainly helped on the cost front. It's also allowed us to start new workloads at a moment's notice and be able to dynamically scale up. So, you know, for my team, the ability to, you know, double the engineering staff that we're supporting in the years since we've started with Semaphore, I haven't had to add significant, you know, support in order to maintain it. So that's been a blessing. At least going off of my experience, you know, having a partner that's willing to customize to my needs, understanding the situation, and being able to be a true partner. You know, your CI system is at the heart of your software development lifecycle. And if you can't rely on a business partner to be there when you're having an issue with it, that's going to be problematic because the amount of hours you'd waste by an engineer not being able to get their fixes out to production is significant. And I have a partner I can count on.